Love you, Drake. 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 Love you, Drake.
Deeghay Books, simple DJ life. You know, security at your home is something that's very important. You might have a family and kids, you might have a dog, a lot of equipment like I have. Security is something that's very important. So I had some security here, ringers and stuff like that, and I got cameras around the house, but I needed something that monitors the house when I'm away, just in case if anybody try to come in, because I did have a break-in not too long ago. It's time for some security. I invested in the Cove security system, and it's a modular system that you build depending on how many windows, how many doors that you have, and you can get motion sensors, you can get glass detectors. Now the glass break detectors for the windows are not the kind that you stick on the window. You put them on a wall and they listen to the frequency of glass breaking. Like I said, they have the monitors for the doors, they have the monitors for the windows, motion sensors, and the monitor that you stick on the wall to set everything with your settings. And you plug that in, and that goes off of, you don't have to worry about connecting it to Wi-Fi because it goes off of an ATT cellular network. So we're going to show you what's in the package and how to set it up real fast. To affix the panel to the wall, you got 4 screws, and you got anchors just in case if you need to put it in your drywall. Here's the backing plate right here, and here is, you need a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably a small one that's not rusty. All right, let's hang this baby up. We got our wall plate hung up right now, so make sure that this notch right here is up and not down like I did the first time, not paying attention. Make sure it's up because the plug, the actual cord that comes out of the top, as you see, so make sure that it's right side up. All right, it's hung and plugged up, and as you see, establishing communication with the panel. So this is the setup process. All right, we ready? We ready. All right, we're ready to set up.
Love you, Drake. Love you, Drake.
Let's get started.
Love you, Drake. Love you, Drake.
It's a touch panel. All right, I'm gonna set up my 4-digit master passcode. You can't look. All right. Now we install the sensors. Trigger a motion sensor by pressing the test button. We got one right here. Where's the test button at? Right here.
Living room motion.
All right, so your living room motion, install it, and once it's installed, tap next. And I'm sure this is probably from everything that we're gonna do, and then we're gonna do it. All right, so we got all the sensors, all the motion detectors. We got the door sensors, the window sensors, we got them all hooked up. So now what happened was they forgot to send me a sensor, and they had them labeled wrong, but they had 1 or 2 of the windows labeled wrong. So, but I can fix that in the app. So I called them yesterday, and they said they're gonna send me out my extra motion sensor, and they also forgot the free camera. If you jump on the deal, you might get the free camera. So I don't know if that deal is still available, but so now we have to give them a call now because we had to test the sensors from the panel right here. So we're gonna give them a call, and we're gonna get it all set up, and then we're gonna be ready to go. So we all set up right here. So I'm gonna show you that we are in monitoring. We're gonna make another video hopefully real soon to show you what's on the panel. But just so you know that the system is working, you see right here, you have 2 doors open. We got the back door open. and we have the front door open, and we have one window open, so it is working, it is active. We're gonna get some smoke detector monitors too eventually to add on to the system. So I highly recommend the Cove monitoring system.
I'm not ready to arm. Check your sensors.
So you're not ready. So I can't arm it. I wasn't trying to arm it, but they like, hey, you can't arm it because you have 2 doors open and you have a window open. So, all right. The Cove monitoring system is very good, highly recommended. They have great customer service. If you're looking for home monitoring security, tell them Deeghay Books sent you. I don't think you're gonna get a discount, but you could try it. All right, thank you very much. Deeghay Books, Simple DJ Life. Peace.